Today we'll be starting a new series where in the next 2 months I'll be making an 8-bit computer from scratch. Actually, this is not the first attempt. I tried this 2 months ago and I failed due to limited resources, but this time around I think I have enough components to actually pull this off. So this is the system and how the architecture will look like. Most of it is borrowed from my previous computer that I built last year. This was a 4-bit computer. So the architecture is actually the same, only that this time around I don't have the address bus. So I don't have the address bus this time around. So this is how it look like. This is the image. You can actually search for this one still in my videos on YouTube, the 4-bit computer. Yeah, so this time I will be doing the 8-bit computer. I was actually trying to design it because this time around I actually have a working ROM. So this is the main difference that I added, and this will help me at least make the work more tidy and compact. Yeah.